Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria, coming at you with an update on some projects. One of the things that I've wanted to do for quite some time now is make Wabi Kusa and dish gardens and like miniature swamps and things like that. By the way, there's a Facebook page called Mini Swamps. Is amazing. There's some really cool Wabi Kusa and dish garden style things that look like little mini wetlands, and it's just really cool, so check that out if you want. But I got some aquarium plants, and as you may know, a lot of aquarium plants are actually amphibious plants, meaning that they can also grow out of water in like wet areas and marshes and things like that. So I grabbed some stuff, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grow these immersed. I'm going to transition them from underwater growth to above water growth, to immersed growth. So I'm going to put them in a very humid container with some substrate, and then I'm going to just let them over time do their thing. And in fact, I'm guessing that some of these probably were actually grown immersed. It looks like this one was grown immersed. So yeah, I actually don't know the scientific names of all of these. I don't even know what a lot of them are. I just grabbed had the guy grab me like 3 or 4 different things here. Phyllanthus fluitans, I think, the red root floater as some people call it. This is a Ludwigia, I think. It's a lot smaller variety than the typical one that is more common. And then this one, I don't know what this is. It might be a Rotala or something. And then this one was just in a display tank that they had, and I thought it looked cool, so I asked the guy if I could just have a little sprig of that. And yeah, so I'm gonna do these immersed and let them transition. And I've got some other immersed things going on too, like Ariocolon, Cryptocarine, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna be making a bunch of little Wabi Kusa and various things like I talked about. Here's one little bowl that I have, but a project that I've got going on right now is a larger dish garden. I've been working on it. So basically it's this piece of wood here. This is actually 2 pieces of wood that I screwed together. There's a piece here and a piece here, and I just screwed it together, and I just kind of tried to make it have some nice character to it and visual flow. So basically you can see this is just kind of a big shallow bowl, and I'll try and turn it so this is kind of what it would look like to you if you were looking at it kind of at an angle or from the side. So I'm probably just going to I might put some water in here and have some floating plants around this, and then some like miniature hydrocotyle and who knows what, maybe some little like reeds or hair grass and stuff like that. So anyway, I've got that, and so what I'm going to be doing is putting those in a larger glass tank, and I'll show you that right now. I have this 20-gallon long aquarium that I just got, and a glass lid for that as well. And I'm going to be displaying my Wabi Kusa as well as that larger dish garden with the wood that I just showed you a second ago. I'm going to be displaying those all in here. So I'm just going to line them up. And the good thing about this is that it will be able to contain the humidity because it'll have the glass lid on the tank. So it'll be humid, allowing moss and plants and things to grow, and it'll prevent as much of the water from evaporating out into the room air, which means that I won't have to fill the Wabi Kusa containers as often. So better plant growth and less maintenance, and overall I think it's just going to look cool to have like a row of those in this tank here. Got lots of other cool projects coming in the future too, so be sure and subscribe, and I will show you some updates as I build new things.